Hello and welcome. I'm Scott with BikeRide.com, your trusted source for reviews on the latest and greatest e-bikes, bikes, and gear. Now, one of the questions I get asked the most is what e-bike is the best? And it's a tough question to answer. With so many different people who have different needs for their riding experience and so many e-bikes available, it can be very difficult to narrow it down. Well, the search just got a lot easier, because I'm about to show you how to fast track your search for the perfect e-bike using the BikeRide.com database and search options. Let our massive product catalog, powered by the BikeRide.com algorithm, take the guesswork out of finding your perfect ride. Let's let the intro roll while we head over to BikeRide.com to start the search. And don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and comment on the video with your questions or ideas. We make these videos just for you, so your input and interest are essential. And here we are at one of my favorite places online, BikeRide.com. Just like trail builders in your favorite riding area, someone is always working hard in the background of our site to bring you the latest and greatest in the bike world. That's why BikeRide.com has become the trusted source for biking information for thousands of others daily. We offer featured biking events in your area, repair guides, and don't forget the reviews on all the newest bikes, e-bikes, and gear. Today, we're going to explore the best e-bikes under $1,000. But before we start the search, I want to give you a peek behind the scenes so you can understand how we create our best e-bike lists. You're probably going to notice that we use a special number, the Bike Ride Score, to rank bikes and accelerate your search. The Bike Ride Score ranks bikes, parts, and accessories from 0 to 100 to indicate how much they are liked by users and experts. The score is calculated based on reviews from all online sources. Instead of spending hours browsing through reviews, you can use one simple score to understand how good a product is. Now, to calculate the Bike Ride Score, we gather all expert reviews and user ratings that can be found online, plus info from the bikes we put through the paces personally here at BikeRide.com in our testing facility. We calculate the average of all reviews and ratings from 0 to 100. Then we adjust the score based on the credibility and experience of each expert and the number of user and expert ratings. Low quality or biased reviews and spam ratings are filtered out. You can read the full article online to learn more about how we calculate and score bikes. This score is shown on our website, and it's used to organize and form the best e-bike lists, making it easy for you to search and find your perfect bike. So let's get started. From the BikeRide.com homepage, you can use the top menu icon to select our review section, or just scroll down the homepage and click on the View All Reviews tab. After you get to the main review page, you can easily click into any category to see our curated top list for that specific genre. Today, we're going to scroll down the page and look into our electric bike category, specifically the under $1,000 category. As of the day we produce this video, our list has 81 e-bikes under $1,000. And we're going to go ahead and check out the top 3 right now, starting with one of my personal favorite brands. This is the Aventon and the Solterra Point 2. Let's click on the bike to open the full review page. And what a score! With a perfect 100, you know this bike is going to be good. Right away, we can see the bike score and the number of user and expert ratings. And if you want to see more about these reviews that form the score, click on one of the options to be navigated right to the user or expert reviews for the bike. Now, on the right side of the screen, we have a great tool that shows you the current pricing across the web, so you can know you're getting the best price. I love this tool because it's also your key to great savings. BikeRide.com works with our partners to get you exclusive discount codes. And if one is available for this bike that you're looking at, it's going to show up here in the pricing tool. Just click the See It button to head straight to the online storefront and start saving on your next e-bike purchase. Now, we've got a great video to show you how to use the coupon codes. Just click on the tag link in the video for more. Let's scroll down to learn more about the Solterra Point 2. On the left side, we have some of the most important specs for you to browse. For example, the Solterra Point 2 came out in 2023, has a charge time of 5 hours and a max range of 46 miles. It's got a top speed of 25 miles per hour, using its 350 watt motor, which is capable of 45 Newton meters of torque. And it has a 36 volt, 9.6 amp hour battery and weighs 46.8 pounds. Easy, right? But wait, it gets even better. Front and center, we give you a detailed breakdown, including the pros and cons of the bike, which are based on our expert reviews. And we finish it off with the BikeRide.com bottom line to sum it all up quickly. The Solterra Point 2 has been raved about online. Reviewers appreciate the quick and easy assembly, smooth and responsive assistance, bright headlight, and frame options, with a step-through and step-over model both available in 2 frame sizes. Sounds like a nimble and fun e-bike. But what's the catch? Well, reviewers also say that the turn signals are not sufficiently visible to other road users, and that the Solterra Point 2 can be uncomfortable on rough surfaces. Makes sense with no suspension and thin tires. A few other cons seem to be that the Aventon does not include a rear rack or fenders, and the bike's 350 watt motor is underpowered for hill climbing. That's going to be important if you climb often in a hilly area like San Francisco. Now, often, the pros and cons are more than enough info for you to make your decision. But if you have a burning desire to know everything about the bike that you can, we have you covered. Keep scrolling down the page, and we are going to bring you all the reviews that are available online, each complete with a bike ride score. So gone are the days of searching endlessly online to find the reviews you want to read. Just scroll and click to see all the best reviewers' thoughts on the bike. And hey, if you like the way that I explain the bikes, it's your lucky day. Backed up by the BikeRide.com team, we are working hard to bring you all BikeRide.com reviews of all your favorite bikes. If I've reviewed the bike you're looking at, it's going to pop up at the top of the reviews, and the video review will even autoplay for you so you can listen while you browse. Well, that was pretty cool. I have a good idea of what to think about the Aventon Solterra Point 2 now. So let's go back out to the best e-bikes under $1,000 list and take a look at the bike in spot number 2 and 3. Our current number 2 best e-bike under $1,000 is the Fido L3 folding bike. It was released in 2021 and has a massive range of 120 miles. It's powered by a 48 volt, 23.3 amp hour battery that's going to take 8 hours to recharge. It's powered by a 350 watt motor and a single speed drivetrain, which results in a top speed of just 15.5 miles an hour. Not that you'd want to go much faster on its 14-inch wheel set. When it comes to pros, users say the range estimate of 120 miles at level 1 is realistic and impressive. Users also love that its folding ability lets you fit 2 of them in a car trunk. Many riders complimented its smooth ride and surprising ability on light off-road trails, even stating that its 14-inch wheels are surprisingly stable. It has mechanical disc brakes with good stopping power and a torquey 350 watt motor. Plus, it ships fully assembled. Now, users have a few cons, including finding it impractical to pedal at speeds higher than 8 miles an hour, and some complaints about noisy brakes. Testers say that it has a delay of 2 to 3 pedal strokes when activating the pedal assist, and also criticize the lack of any locking mechanism to keep the handlebars or frame in place when folded. Users also think it would be nice if the bike had a higher top speed than 15.5 miles per hour. With a price of just $799, this bike is definitely value for the money. It's great for users with space restraints or who want to pack the bike into the truck for travel. And last but not least, we have our number 3 best e-bike under $1,000, which is the Ride One Up Roadster V2. Now this is one slick looking bike. Released in 2020, it has a max range of 30 miles and a top speed of 24 miles per hour. And it uses a 350 watt motor, which puts out 40 Newton meters of torque. It's powered by a 36 volt, 7 amp hour battery that charges in 4 hours, and it can push the light 33 bike on a set of 700C wheels. It's got a belt drive, single speed drivetrain that is going to reduce maintenance and eliminate greasy chains. This bike is also available in 2 different builds, a road-focused build featuring rim brakes and 28mm tires, or a gravel build with disc brakes and larger 42mm gravel tires. Users claim the bike can carry them uphill effortlessly with surprising gusto, and love its low weight of 33 pounds. With its sleek lines and concealed components, it's easy to mistake this bike for a regular bike, giving it some stealth capabilities. Users love its zippy riding style and powerful Tektro brakes on the gravel version. It's got a simple single-speed belt-operated drivetrain, as well as eyelets to attach a rack or fenders. Coming in at $795 from Ride One Up, this bike sure seems to be feature-packed for the price. So what's it gonna be? Option 1, 2, or 3? Personally, I see myself on the gravel build of the Ride One Up Roadster. Or wait, maybe I could be zipping through the streets on the Celterra Point 2. Oh, man, I'd better read some of the expert reviews before making my choice. Remember, we update our list frequently with new bikes and information. So whatever your needs or choices, you're gonna wanna check bikeride.com regularly to see the latest and greatest in all of our amazing e-bike and bike categories. Plus, don't forget to check out our other offerings, like ride opportunities and events in your area, bike and e-bike reviews, repair guides with how-to videos, and our community forums. Until next time, I'm Scott with bikeride.com, and I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by leaving me a like and subscribing for more great videos. Plus, if you have a question, hit up the comments. We try to reply to everyone, so it's a great place to learn more. I'll be back soon with another bike review and another best bike list for us to go through together. And whatever you decide, don't forget to enjoy the ride.